Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, here we will talk about we will see about the freelancer and we will see all its aspects. So before we start the video of today, you can subscribe my YouTube channel Ahmad Tech and press the bell icon so that my videos you can watch easily. So we should start it. We should discuss about it. Uh, we will see that how to earn money from freelancer in Pakistan. Here, if we start it now, we see that freelancer is best online marketing platform for data entry jobs. Best online platform for the data entry jobs. Data entry. It means the one who is expert in data entry he can earn online by freelancer. It is as simple to create an account and freelancer. You just need to sign up, set up your profile. In this, how to how create profile. Profile. Just you have to sign sign up and setting up your profile. Set up your profile and after it start bidding for projects, then start bidding for projects. It means it is easy to use a freelancer. In freelancer, just you have to create the profile by signing up. After signing up, we just have to set our profile, and now you can start bidding and gain the projects. Same as Upwork over here, a freelancer you have to bid for proposal. Bid for proposal. And there are almost 1800 categories. 1800 plus categories of it. Are 1800 plus categories are here on the freelancer that can be the source of your earning and without investment. No investment here. No investment here. We are going to mention the categories that can be the source of your online earning. Before we start the count its categories, just we have to see linked account. Which accounts are linked accounts mean we have to see the accounts that are linked to it. For the payment method, the payment method of freelancer is quite simple. You can easily use your express withdrawal payment method. Express payment methods, just they send to can receive in your bank account, and once you get hired and you can start working on it and get paid accordingly. It means once you are hired, they will give you work and you can receive your money easily. That was how it is the source of online earning.